Ruvonge rwa thirikari ruria ruromboyanagia Nakuru andu aria mari na mawathe na ciana cia ndigwa maturari ni rwambiritie muvango wa kuthomithia maabitha ayo aria matungatagira andu aria matevotete maturari kuvitukira tabarira ngurani cia thirikari. Akiaria thutha wa kuva certificates maabitha acio cukuru wa mathomo ma thirikari thiini wa kaunti ya Embu, munini wa minister thiini wa ministry ino Patrick Ole Ntutu augite maabitha aya magakoragwo makithomithia maabitha engi gutungata ciana cia ndigwa, andu aria mari na mawathe vamwe na akuru. Gukinyarirwo kwa muvango uyu gukanyivanyiviria thirikari ngarama nene ya gutwara maabitha acio kuthomera mabũrũri ma ruraya.
Kiangalia katika social services tuna linda pia wale tunaita disabled children, wale watu wazima, wale ambao wanahitaji sana msaada. Na hawa officers wetu hawawezi kufanya kazi hiyo kama hawana elimu ya kutosha ambayo tumefunza hawa leo. Na tunashukuru sana kwa sababu hii course ni very expensive. Wakati hizo zingine tulikuwa tunatuma watu waende nje wasome na ilikuwa tunalipa pesa nyingi kama serikali.
Now this training and the first cohort of 19 certified trainers will be an opportunity not only train more people, practitioners across different sectors here in Kenya, but also attract clients, learners from other countries to come to Kenya to learn about social protection, to learn about the theory and learn about the practice.
Wauguo Ntutu augite muvango uyu wa mathomo no ukuthi na mbere kuona marongorerete kuthomithia maabitha aria magakoragwo magitungata thiini wa icigo cionthe bururi-ri.
Hawa ndio wataenda kufunza wale wengine, tunaita TOTs, wataenda kuwafunza wale wengine ambao wako mashinani, na tuna target every sub county kwa Kenya yetu at least wapate moja ambayo watakuwa wakianza. Hiyo ndio plan ambayo tuko naye kama wizara.
Kuringana na Maria Hasnen Oreneke mutavana wa mivango ruvongerero wa irio thiini wa WFP guku Kenya ni ati gukinyanirwo kwa muvango uyu wa mathomo vamwe na uria wa inua jamii kugatethia aria matevotete matikagumirwo ni wagi wa irio riria kuri na ng'aragu.
If people, the most vulnerable people are already covered with universal program, all elderly, all vulnerable children, all households with people living with disabilities are already covered by a very strong social protection program, getting cash transfers, and you know you will have them every month. It will also have, you will have a smaller risk to become extremely food insecure should there be a disaster, or should your situation for any reason, for any shock be impacted.
Vandore va Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, Beta kwa Peter Mungai.